the Traveler, man. Back at it with another Airbnb video, man. I'm in the neighborhood of Cashapp in Santo Domingo. Just checking in here. Bags right here. We're gonna do a walk. We're gonna do a quick walk through of this place, man. Let you check it out, man. As you can see, it got nice, classic type vibes in here, man. Here's your table, big table right here. But look at the view, man, already. Big size TV, I'm definitely feeling that big size TV. Big sofa. You got everything you need right here to order food, whatever you need. The people bring it straight up to your room. Here you go right here. You got the view of the ocean. View of the Malecón. And look, in this area, man, you got Airbnbs Tropical right here. You got the casinos right here. You got a steak restaurant right next door that I used to eat at all the time. Look, I have like 2 or 3 videos about this same building. Cool building, guest friendly, awesome spot, never had any problems. Again, I'm loving the TV. Let's see what else we got in this room. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Here's the bedroom, where I guess some of your magic can go down at. Hello out there in TV land. Here we go right here. More of those views. You can open it up and you want to feel that breeze. You got a little, and look, I used to walk this thing all the time, man. Awesome. Nice size bed. See if it's soft. Okay, let's see what we got in here. All right, closet. I don't see a safe, but maybe one of them drawers or something got a safe, but if not, just hide your stuff if you got anybody coming on, you know what I mean? So here we go with the bathroom right here. Nice size bathroom, nice size shower. Okay, tissue in here. All right. Okay, just ain't really nothing. Let's see what we got cracking over here. Okay, nice size kitchen. Nice size kitchen, man. Microwave, coffee makers. You know the routine. They got everything in here that you need. Boy, they got some water. I'm happy about that. They ain't got nothing in the refrigerator, but it's all good. All right. And man, never just drink ice somebody else made, because sometimes, man, somebody could be a local and they can drink some of that water. We can't. You get messed up. I know some people that got really messed up like that. But yeah, man, overall, nice spot. This is the back view. Right here, you got a bone ice cream right down there, yogurt, whatever that is, but it tastes good. Little things, man. I know they got cooking stuff for you to cook with in here. The trash right there. Got a little sandwich maker. Okay, that's what we need right there. All right, you got right here to make your shakes. I just need a glass myself, cause all right, we got something I can drink my stuff with. So yeah, man, overall this place seems like a nice deal. I paid, I think, $60 per night for it. Nice, awesome looking spot, you know, cool with the view. This is what I like the most already, the view. So I know I'm definitely gonna be kicking it with this. So this place, you don't have a gym and you don't have none of that, but you got the ocean, man. Got the ocean. It's all you need. So let's say you over here with your family, or you got a little date or whatnot. Go to the steak restaurant next door. The steak restaurant next door, forgot the name of it, but it has good food, man. Good hamburgers, good everything, good alcohol. You can sit there. Actually, I used to bring a lot of my dates right there to that. Look,
Yeah,
let me keep this Airbnb video. But yeah, nice deal, man. For the price, I think y'all guys will like it. Now, I'm gonna come back before I check out and let you guys know what I thought of this place. But I've stayed next door in a couple of other spots and didn't have any problems at all. And this has a good AC unit right there. I'm about to turn that one on too in a little bit. I'm gonna take this fan first. See what we working with. Oh yeah, but look at this view, man. I'm gonna enjoy this view right here tonight. It's gonna be awesome, man. So just wanted to say that, man. Look, this is a good place. I'm gonna have the link in the description, and you got the casinos here, stores, everything you need, and this is a good area, man. Zona Colonial is next door, You can walk there if you want. It's gonna be a little walk, but I've done it a few times. And if I can do it, you can do it. I'm telling you, it's a awesome thing. So man, I am out. Just wanted to make that video and let you guys know, man, this is a good deal. So I'm about to check out of this Airbnb. My thoughts on it, it was a great Airbnb, quiet. Let me show you something that I really liked about this place. Now, I thought it was weird at first, but there's like a second type entrance. This is the second. This is the first. So this is the door. So it kept it quiet. You didn't hear what was on the outside. Maybe they're gonna make another one out of this up here. I don't know, but I thought that was different and kind of cool. But it kept it quiet because you got the little foyer out there, so you didn't really hear anything. But man, overall, good stay. I recommend this place. Now prices vary. I think I got it for 60 something a night. But these change. I done seen them for 50. I done seen them higher. You know, Airbnb, man, is always supply and demand. Now here's the thing I liked about this place. See this view? Waking up to this right here the last couple of days has been great. It's something about that water, man, like it does something to you. At least to me. Love it, love it. So again, I've stayed at this place many times, but not in this apartment. There's multiple in here I've stayed at. Cool spot. This has been one of the best ones I've stayed at. Place was clean, it was good. So I like it, I recommend it. Again, the steak restaurants right next door is pretty good. Food, Uber Eats, everything is good. You're close to everything. Zona Colonial right there. Casinos. There's a casino actually behind here too. Awesome, awesome area, man. So just want to say that, man. Thank you guys for rocking our channel. You know I always try to put you guys in a safe place. Y'all want me to tell stories all the time, but I also got to show this kind of stuff too, man. Balance the channel. So look at the views, man. Look at the views. Great, great, great. So man, we are out. Thank all you guys for rocking out with the channel.